Ramanujan Maths Academy.
Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. In previous video, we have seen nature of roots of quadratic equation. In this video, we are going to study relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. So, are they relative? क्या सच में? तो चलिए देखते हैं उनका relation. Okay, so relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. Now on the left of the screen roots of quadratic equation is there and on the right it is coefficients given. Okay, तो जैसा कि आपको पता है कि roots of quadratic equation के क्या है, तो वो है अल्फा और बीटा. ठीक है, और coefficients, what are the coefficients of quadratic equation? So they are a, b and c. Okay, alpha and beta are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then here you can see we have taken alpha plus beta and alpha into beta to find out the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. So let's start with alpha plus beta. So when we take their addition we get minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Okay, this term is alpha and minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, it is beta. Okay, we are taking their addition. In next step we will get this term. Okay, this plus minus will become minus and same here. In next step you get minus 2b upon 2a. Okay, so what happens here, this plus square root of b square minus 4ac and minus square root of b square minus 4ac cancels out. Okay, and this minus b and minus b becomes minus 2b upon 2a. Here also in next step 2 cancels out, so it remains minus b upon a. So we got alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Now let's see for alpha into beta. Okay, so alpha into beta is this. Then next step is multiplication of numerator to numerator and denominator with denominator. So we get this next step. In third step we will get b square minus bracket b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Okay, so how to simplify this? Okay, now it is very easy. If you consider this first term as a and second term as b, okay, and if you use the formula a plus b, okay, pay attention, a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is a square. Okay, a square minus b square. It is just it. Okay, so if you consider this term as a and this term as b, so it is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, you can solve it, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now next step is 4ac upon 4a square. Okay, this b square and this minus b square cancels out. Okay, and this minus 4ac and here minus sign is outside the bracket, so it becomes plus. Okay, minus into minus 4ac, it becomes plus 4ac upon 4a square. Next you get c upon a only, this 4a and this 4 and one term from this a cancel out, so only c upon a remains. Therefore we got alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Okay, ये दोनों भी वैल्यूज आपको ध्यान में रखनी होंगी, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a or alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now we will see some examples. In that first one, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0, then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay, सबसे पहले हम given quadratic equation as it is लिख लेंगे 2x square plus 6x minus 5 which is equal to 0. अब इस given equation को कंपेयर करेंगे ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0 के साथ. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल गेट, वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 2, वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज 6 और सी की वैल्यू मिलेंगी -5. ओके, नाउ आपको पता है अल्फा प्लस बीटा का फॉर्मूला विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए. विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस b की वैल्यू है 6 और a की वैल्यू है 2, सो 2 3 जा 6. ओके, सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू -3 and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, which is equal to value of c is -5. Okay, value of c is -5 and value of a is 2, hence it is the value of alpha into beta. Second example is the difference between the roots of the equation x square minus 13x plus k equal to 0 is 7, then find k. Okay, हमें यहाँ पर दो रूट्स का डिफरेंस गिवन है, वो है 7 और वैल्यू पता करनी है k की. सो सबसे पहले गिवन इक्वेशन लिखेंगे x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0. Now comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to -13 and c is equal to k. Now alpha plus beta, which is equal to, you know formula, minus b upon a. Okay, now here minus of 13 upon 1, which is equal to plus 13. So this is the value of alpha plus beta, equation 1. Now what is given? That difference of the roots is 7. So write down alpha minus beta is equal to 7, equation number 2. Okay, जैसा कि हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में देखा था लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स में, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल. नाउ सेम हियर, एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2 alpha. Okay, equation 1 and 2, 2 alpha which is equal to 20. 2 alpha is equal to 20, hence value of alpha is 10. Okay, now substituting value of alpha is equal to 10 in equation 1, we get 10 plus beta which is equal to 13, and hence beta is equal to 13 minus 10. Okay, this 10 is shifting to the right side, which is equal to 3. So value of beta is 3. Okay, now we got value of alpha as well as value of beta. Now last step is alpha into beta, which is equal to c upon a, and hence alpha into beta is equal to, what is value of c? K, and a is 1. Okay, now substituting value of alpha and beta in given equation, so alpha is 10 and beta is 3. So 10 into 3, which is equal to k upon 1 means k itself. Okay, so 10 into 3 is 30, which is equal to k.
Thank you for watching रामानुजन मैथ्स अकेडमी. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए. लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. Join WhatsApp group 7030021604.